believe that in a week, it's going to be Thanksgiving. Where did the year go? But I also want to remind you that in 4 months, we're going to be holding our second annual Influencer of Midlife Conference here in Atlanta at the Hotel of Avalon in Alpharetta, Georgia. This is a midlife over 40 women's conference for women who are entrepreneurs, bloggers, influencers. That is an educational, inspirational, and a networking event that we have created because we know that many of you treat your Instagram, your social media, and your blogs as a business. For those of you who are new, this is a wonderful conference where you will learn and have the tools to grow your business and make sure that you are attracting the brands to work with you and also gain more followers. By having more followers, you have more engagement. And for us, we have the top influencers speaking at our conference. We have about 30 influencers and marketing companies that will be speaking. We have SEO classes, we have photography classes. We actually have 3 photography classes. We got food, travel, interiors, and fashion, so that's actually 4. What we want you to do is have a takeaway of having the tools to make your brand better, to grow more followers, and to work with the brands that you want to work with. Make sure that you think about adding our conference to your Santa list. That even as a woman over 40, we still have to make a Santa list, and I want you to include our conference. Just tell your family that this is the place you want to be, put it on the list, and have it under the tree at Christmas. This is a wonderful time to network with other influencers and the companies and the sponsors that will be there. In the following weeks, I will be showcasing our sponsors. We're just finalizing about 5 of them, and it's just so exciting, and it's going to be a learning and an educational and a wonderful way to meet other women who are passionate about doing something after midlife. This is not just for bloggers and for influencers. We also want women who have websites. That if you have a website and you need to learn a little bit more about SEO, how do you have better SEO? How is your analytics? Do you know how to get your analytics up? Do you know the takeaways on when you research that will you be found? As a designer, I'm always doing hashtags and saying, where's the Atlanta interior designers? As a website for an interior design, I do Atlanta interior designer, and if I'm not on the first 2 pages, I'm not doing a good job on my website. That is what we're teaching at this conference, is that you need to be on the first 2 pages for searches. If you're a blog, you need to have views. You need to have authority. Do you know what an authoritative voice is? This is something that we're teaching. That this is a serious for you who want to grow your business and make money doing it. We're going to have affiliate marketing here. It's just growing leaps and bounds. That this is a conference that makes sense of why you're doing what you're doing after midlife. We have diversity. We want to have people speaking about what it is that a woman of color has diversity and what her disadvantages are. And how can we change that? How can we change our voices? How can we make all the women over 40 be relevant? That if you're passionate about travel, how do you do that? How do you write? How do you connect with brands? How do you talk to travel agencies? This is all part of our conference. YouTube. Well, let's say you want to start doing a YouTube part of your website. How do you do that? You don't have to be a blogger to have a website. You have a website if you're a businesswoman. So if you want to add YouTube to it, how do you do it and how's the best? We have the people who will speak about it. This is a learning, mentoring conference. It isn't about, look at us, this is how I started. It's really us telling our attendees, we want you to be as good as we are. We want you to rise and have a voice, because the more of us that combine together, the better we are at being a whole number of women over 40 because companies are now finding us. I am busier as a bee being an influencer over the age of 62. I want you to be as busy as I. So I hope you think about adding the Influencer of Midlife Conference. The tickets are right now at $500. We have a few hotel rooms in a block left. That if you're serious about this, we want you to join us before January 1st. The tickets will go out to general admission. Right now we're at early bird. This is where you really need to start thinking about what is important to you. If you have a business, if this is a business to you, you want to have the best educational tools to make you better for 2020. And this is the conference that you want to be at. So I hope you're having a great day. And as you know, I'm already ready for Christmas, and I hope to see you in March.